How to check if a YouTube channel is monetized or not. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. After you open the YouTube app like this, go and search for the channel that you want to see its monetization status. Let's say I want to see this person. So I'll open the person profile like this. After you open the person profile like this, now tap on this three dot. Now go to this share. Now copy the link. After you copy the link of the YouTube channel, now close the YouTube. Now go to your browser. After you open your browser, you can go ahead now and search for this website. Is this channel monetized.com? Is this channel monetized.com? And tap on this search. After you tap on the search, now here is the website. So you can tap on this first link. So after the link has opened for you, now you can tap on this three dot at the top and make sure you turn on your browser into desktop site. So from this option, now you can just zoom it like this. So you can tap on this one. It says go to YouTube monetization checker. So tap on this little link. So from this option, now you can zoom in and you can paste in your link in this option. Paste in the link. After you paste in the link, tap on this check monetization. So now it will give you details about this channel. As you can see now, it's a channel statistic. So if you now scroll to down, if you want to know the channel is monetized or not, just scroll to down. If you scroll to down, as you can see now, here is now all the earning of the channels. Here are all the earning of the channel. But if you scroll to down, as you can see here, it says we don't display the monetization status anymore. So if you scroll to down, you can tap on this option here. It says, as you can see, was monetized since its first view. So was monetized, this one was monetized since it is first view, means that this channel is monetized. That's it guys on how to check channel monetized or not on YouTube.